Rocket attacks target US troops in Iraq and Syria. Multiple rocket attacks have been reported against bases hosting US-led coalition troops in Iraq and Syria on Thursday and Friday, according to security officials and a Bar monitor. This incident echoed the earlier days of the conflict between Israel and Hamas militants in Gaza, although such attacks had mostly ceased until now. In Iraq, Anbar province, 4 rockets fell in vicinity of the Ain al-Assad base. An Iraqi security source confirmed. Additionally, another security official noted an attack involving a drone and 3 rockets near the base perimeter. Initial US report indicate that projectiles landed outside the base, causing no injury or damage. In Syria, a rocket landed near a coalition base in the Conoco gas field in Deir ez-Zor province. The Britain-based Syrian Observatory of Human Rights reported a blast in the area but no casualty. The rocket reportedly originated from zones controlled by pro-Iranian militia group. This latest attack follows a security meeting in Washington between Iraqi and US officials discussing the future of the international anti-jihad coalition in Iraq. Iran-backed groups have called for coalition's withdrawal. The US Defense Department announced a new phase of bilateral security cooperation, including liaison officers, training, and traditional security program. Historically, US troops in the Middle East, particularly in Iraq and Syria, have faced over 175 rocket and drone attacks in the past 3 months amid the Israel-Hamas war in Gaza. The Islamic Resistance of Iraq, a coalition of Iraq-backed groups, claimed responsibility for many attacks in solidarity with Gaza Palestinians. In January, a drone strike by these groups killed 3 US soldiers in Jordan, prompting US retaliatory strike. Baghdad is working to defend these tensions, engaging in discussion with Washington on the future role of US-led coalition force in Iraq. The US maintains